Hey YouTube, Berserker Nick here. Let's talk about my Haro Zippo Haro Master tribute. Alright guys, this is it's like a 95, 96 Haro Zippo that I built as a tribute to the Haro Master. As you can see, I decked this out pretty good. It's got some nice Haro grips, Tech 77 levers, Odyssey cables with a Gyro XL, the Haro stem on there, Liberty bob bars. This headset is actually a custom set of conversion cups that convert it from a 1-inch headset to a 1 1/8, and they're sealed bearings. It's probably the smoothest headset I've ever felt. We've got the Odyssey 1999 brakes, Haro 78 Legend forks with the Haro pegs, Skyway wheels, sealed Kenda contact tires in blue. Going up, we got the Colt van seat back with an Odyssey seat post and a Haro Fusion seat post clamp. Come down, we've got Shadow Conspiracy chain. I think it's a Shadow Conspiracy chain. It might be the one I got off the Haro site, I don't know. So don't quote me on the chain. Haro Fusion 28-tooth sprocket. Got the Fusion 3-piece cranks, sealed bottom bracket, Fusion pedals. Let's see what else. Odyssey 1999 rear brake, Skyway rear wheel with the 9-tooth driver, sealed bearings, and again Haro pegs on the back and Kenda contact tire. Get a better shot of this bike. This bike is for sale. If anyone's interested, it's a local pickup only here in Fort Dodge, Iowa. I'm asking $1,000 or best offer. If you think that's crazy, then you're crazy, because I put a lot into this and I know what just the frames alone are going for. So, but here we go, nice little walk around of it. It was hard for me to do this because I'm a fucking cripple, but if you like it, this is probably the smoothest feeling bike that I own, and it hurts to get rid of, but I kind of need to. So hit me up in the messages, let me know what you think of this bike, and hope you've had an awesome weekend. Keep shredding.